So here is the box of the Realme Buds Air 7. I have been already using this Realme Neckband 3, you can say. This is the ANC version, and for years I have been using it and it's still working, and it's almost in like good condition, I would say. So everything, you can see the logo and everything. But yeah, this is not the video about. I've ordered this Realme Buds Air 7. I got it on an Amazon deal, 2700 rupees, I guess. Yeah, I even posted it on my YouTube channel posts kind of section. You can check it out, and obviously you will get the buying link and stuff from the description box below. Do use that if you want to help my channel out. And yeah, this is how the box packaging looks like. I have ordered this cream kind of color, or you can say white-ish color, and it has the high-res audio, it has the LHDC and stuff, and there are some details on the sides as well. It shows Realme logo, IP55 dust and water resistant, 360-degree spatial audio effect, dual device pairing is there. So yeah, this is a really nice feature. I use it on my laptop and on my phone for the neckband. More things like 50 dB ANC, and yeah, this is a huge amount of ANC for headphones which are coming under 3000 rupees. And we have up to 52 hours of battery life again. That's huge. And we have the 12.4mm base driver. The MRP quoted on the box is about 5000 rupees. I already have the Realme Link app right here, and I have this Realme Buds Wireless 3 right here, but I'll just try to pair it. Make sure you log in and stuff first before you pair this headphone with your phone. Okay, so let's try to open it. The seal, if I just try to open it, it seems like factory packaging pretty much. But yeah, this is Amazon stuff. And there is this box. I have just put the headphones aside, and here we have make it real kind of user manual, and there are some extra ear tips. 2 pair of extra ear tips are there inside of this, and one is of course should be included in the headphone itself. There is no cable at all, so yeah, pretty much cable free packaging. Obviously it's USB-C, so you must be having USB-C cables around. I do have them, so not to worry about it. But yeah, the seals are pretty much fine, I would say. Let's try to look for scratches. I don't see any scratches as of right now. On the back side, it looks like this. We have high-res audio written over here as well. There is a USB-C charging port. This case seems to be plastic, but yeah, the quality of this, it's really nice to hold in the hand. And there is LED, I guess, and there is the Realme logo up front. It looks pretty nice, I would say. It's sleek and fits pretty much right into your palm, and it should fit properly in your pocket or something. So yeah, this is nice. Now let's just open the case, and I'll just put my phone right here. I have Bluetooth and stuff turned on, and it should have that Google kind of pairing, and I just open it. There is the green LED right here, you can notice, and right now it's white. Let's just remove the headphones from the case. It looks really good, I would say. It's not white. There is some kind of satin gold kind of finish, you can say, on the sides, and inside it's cream white color. Okay, so right now, as you can see on my phone, it has appeared the Realme Buds Air 7 pairing request with my email ID and stuff. So I'll just click on connect and wait for the time being, and it shows device connected. So I'll just wear these headphones for now. Already has an update, so I'll just update it right now. It shows new version available. I think it's a firmware update kind of. I'll just click on update now. And I feel right out of the box, it has ANC turned on. It shows updated. Put the earbuds into the charging case and take them out again to use them. So I'll just put them into the charging case, and the magnet seems to be pretty strong. It's going right into the place. Them out to use them. So I'll just close it maybe and reopen it. And opening it is a two-handed operation, it seems so. And I heard that pairing kind of sound. It has the noise cancellation turned on by default for some reason, but I'll just turn it off. And in the noise cancellation, yes, there is option to actually choose it to smart. There is the max, moderate and mild kind of noise cancellation. And let's just try the transparency. Okay, so there is an enhanced voice kind of thing. This I haven't seen on my neckband of Realme, but yeah, this seems to be, yeah, it's literally enhancing the song playing in the background. But yeah, I'll just turn it off. Yeah, even with like everything turned off, it seems to be having some kind of noise cancellation. There is dynamic audio, you can enable it, but I'll just disable it for the time being. And there is the high definition or LHDC kind of audio, and there is the volume enhancer and everything. There is spatial audio if you want to use it. I am not really sure how that works, but yeah, there is dual device pairing. Right now It has Poco A5 only because this is the only device I'm connected to. But yeah, I'll try to connect it with my laptop as well. It should work. You just have to toggle on this dual device pairing kind of option. There is game mode, there is earbud fit test, and right now, okay, so right now it shows good for both of them. So yeah, it actually works. We have this Mindflow. These are like some kind of sample sounds, you can say. So yeah, that's how it is. And there is more option. You can customize it, I guess, for double tap, triple tap, etc. There are more options. There is auto answer and auto play pause kind of option. The full sound is too loud. Maybe this is the sweet spot. If you just go full, it's just too loud. And the sound quality here is just awesome. I can already feel that. And if I remove one headphone, as you can see, the music has paused. If I just put it on my ear, and as you can see, the music has played again. This is just dope features. And these are the magnetic charging points. A lot of holes for mic I can see, and inside the ear tip looks so beautiful. Just look at this. The quality of this just superb for the price again. Well, in the Android 16 settings, it looks so beautiful when you connect it. Just notice there is the Buds battery, and there is a case battery as well shows up, and it looks super cool with the Android 16's EY. And yeah, I am just loving it. Yes, there is the find device option, there is a spatial audio and the allow contacts kind of option. But yeah, it shows all the batteries right here, which is really handy right into the Android settings. And by the way, this part of the audio is being recorded with the phone's internal mic, and it has nothing to do with this Realme earbuds. Okay, so this is how the audio should sound like with the Realme Buds Air 7. And you are listening to the audio right now connected to this headphone, to this phone. And I'm shooting this video with a Gcam. If you don't know how to shoot videos with a Bluetooth mic with your phone, you can check the video out from the description box below. And here is the sample. And right now, the AC is turned on, but I'll turn on the fan so that you can get to know about the noise quality and everything. But before that, I'll keep silent for some time so that you can get an idea about the noise cancellation. And right now, the audio you're listening to is with a high-speed fan running in the background. And here is the noise quality so that you know every detail of the noise. I'm just trying to simulate a traffic kind of sound over here. And yeah, this is how it will sound like in a heavy traffic kind of situation, you can say. And the magnets here are actually super strong. If I just do this, it doesn't fall or something. Yes, I can close the hinge like this, but I can't open it like if I flip this. But yeah, the magnets here are pretty strong to open the case. The hinge seems to be really good. Just notice. Even though it looks to be a plastic hinge, but I think there's some kind of metal involved in it. Like it's giving that feel, and the case's quality is really good. There is a reset button, or you can call it a pairing button as well right here. So do stay tuned for the full review. If you want to buy it, do use the affiliate link from the description. And yeah, that was my first impressions about this Realme Buds Air 7. Let me know down there in the comments what you guys think. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.